Everybody. Let me get my YouTube channel set up and I'll be right with you. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Bright and early. Bright and early. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope no one's here. Hope y'all are sane people and asleep. No one needs to be up this morning. No one this early. Not even I. Good morning, 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 good morning. Wow. I hope when I go over to the YouTube and TikTok, no one is here. I pray you're all sleeping. I'll just whip through my stuff real quick if that's the case. Almost done. All right. I think we're about there. Really, I hope no one was here. I don't want anyone to be here at all. It is too early in the morning for anyone to be here. And I mean that in the nicest way possible. I just got up early. I knew I wasn't going to go back to sleep right away. So I thought, what the hell? I'll just get up, get it over with. And D-Nice is here. I should have known. Good morning, D-Nice. Good morning, Pac-Man. Good morning, McKinsey. Good morning, Annie Apple. Good morning, Theodore Parker. Sorry to mean to slide your name. Hi. Good morning. Oh, you're on both TikTok and YouTube. Thank you, sir. Good morning, Jury Frickle. Good morning, Ryan Saman. Good morning, Clayton DeSousa. Good morning, Clayton. And that's it. Yay, that makes me feel good. So there's not a lot of you here. Good. Anybody here, though, that needs anything, please ask. As far as training goes, I'll do the best I can to help you out. All right. Here we go. You're looking at, as far as I'm aware, and I will change the statement if it's not true, the only trading system on TikTok or YouTube that trades Forex, crypto, and stocks that is United States of America trademarked, Class 41 approved. This is our trademark, registered trademark. And that's me, and that's the system. 11 o'clock in the morning. Nice, Ryan. I'm here. Too freaking early for humans. I'm sure there's some kind of owls out there or something that are having fun. Only trade on yesterday. That's my dollar. This is the trade, actually. Here. US 30 buy stop. Back when, see where I put it at? You guys see my entry, by the way? Some of you don't even pay attention to that. See the entry to the trade? Right off the line. Actually, could have been a little better. Could have been on the line. And that's my one and only trade I have going in this account. I have several other accounts I trade. All right. Let's go over to here. I am not, nor is anyone else, financial advisors. I'll just fund them for educational purposes purposes only. You have to validate your own trades. You have to have your own demo trades. Why? Because you guys are all adults. Act like it. Trade only demo. Buy stuff from my store because I'm a social media. As a matter of fact, I got to be honest with you. I went to the store and I ordered something, a tank top, totally overpriced, by the way, ridiculously overpriced for a tank top, but extremely good quality. And one of our friends bought a hoodie, and the hoodie is the best quality in the history of the world. It's amazing. They run large, so when I got an extra large, I normally wear an extra large. It was a real extra large. I mean, it was big. I'll probably just order another one in a large. So if you go to the store and buy some stuff, wear it proudly, knowing that it is trademarked, patent pending, and NDA protected system. In case anyone's ever wondering, yes, the NDA held up in court already. So no worries on that. What's up, Tyra Edwards? Good morning, Miss Edwards. All right, entirely too early for anyone to be here. Thank God. Builder Vladis. Good morning, Builder. Too early for you too, my brother. All you need to be in bed, go back to sleep, or even if it's 11 in the morning, Ryan, go back to sleep, my brother. No need to be here. This, my friends, is charts. 15-minute on the top, 1 hour on the bottom. You can tell by the little blue thing up here which chart I'm on. Dun, 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 dun. Look at last night. It's when I was last on that little buy. How cute is that? Sure does look like a sell stop for NAS, for SPX, and I'll get into detail. Still in a buy on US 30. I would look for sell stops towards the blue lines between now and market open. US 30 NAS and SPX. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, shit. Oh, no, I did it. Whew, I'm tired. I almost forgot I did the thing. Let's take a look at our scanner. I'm pretty sure. Oh, there is one. NAS is below it. There you go. Again, look for a sell stop towards the blue line for US 30 and SPX. But the reality is, later today, I'd be looking for this to flip and turn to a buy stop. That's all. Dun, 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 dun. All right, let's call out unless anybody's got any questions. Since you always remind me of Las Vegas, Builder, I do want to remind everybody that we'll be heading to Vegas in a couple weeks earlier than we thought. Woohoo! My brother's coming to stay at our house. He's going to house sit for us. And we're going to be gone about 2.5 months. And then we get another month, so that'd be 3.5 months. And we might actually do another, depending on how everything's going in Vegas. But we'll be there for anywhere from about 3 to 4 months. We already got tickets for the Sphere. We already got tickets for race car driving, a Porsche. We already got tickets for machine gun shooting, where they do an automatic machine gun. We already got tickets for countless shows. America's Got Talent, Adele, blah, blah, blah. Yes. So it's about a month from now. My brother will come in and house sit, and then we'll be off to Vegas. Maybe we're driving again. At least this time we'll have a little more room. We're driving in a 4Runner Predator package. So that thing has a ton of more room in it. And Bree's mom's going to fly out and stay a week with us twice. A couple of brief friends are coming in for a few days. My other brother and cousin are coming in for a week. So we're going to have a pretty busy April, and then May will be all to ourselves. And then hopefully June will be all to ourselves. And this time, instead of a condo, we rented an entire house. Fuck condos. You have to be quiet. You have neighbors. I forgot how bad they were. So we rented an entire house because I'm that type of person. I just can't stand neighbors. I can't stand dogs. I can't stand hearing noises. I'm a very, very, very private person, which cracks people up. My brother goes, "Oh, you like going on these lives?" I go, "Nope, I'm doing it to help people. Can't stand going on lives." Henceforth, I tried showing myself for a little bit and couldn't do it. I'd rather you guys just hear my voice. I can't stand showing myself, can't stand doing these things other than to help you. I don't like the part about, I don't know how to word it, but I'm just not a public person at all. Zero. We might have a meet and greet in Vegas, though, but only for a select few. Not going to be open to the public. Good morning, Dr. Harry. Please go back to bed. Excellent morning to you, too. Okay, enough of my rambling. I'm tired. Woo! Da, 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 da. All right, so look for 1 minute sell stop on all three indices before 9:30. NAS has already done it. Then I would look for the 15-minute 1 hour buy stops that come back down to the 1 hour line. I'll show you what that is in a second. All right, let's whip through a whole bunch. What are we going to whip through? The dirty dozen. No, I have no idea. How many is this anyways? It's gold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It is a dirty dozen. Ha! All right, gold. 1 minute. Sell stop. Kind of late. Gold to the 5 minute. Called that last night. Did the ricochet and came back down. Good job. 15 minute. I could have swore I called something like a 30 or 1 hour. I don't know. Let's see. Yep. 1 hour hit. 1 hour sell stop. 1 minute. Play any 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour sell stop to the 1 hour blue line. Gold. You know what? Hold on a second. Hold your horses. Let me see if I can get into my live Nadex account, although we're not allowed to trade live, so this will be demo, even though it is kind of live. It's my own account. Get the fuck out of here. I'm doing it. Nah. Oh yeah. We're going to place that order on gold. We'll see how she does. I'm risking a whole $100. I'm sorry. I'm risking $200 to possibly make $990 on 6 knockout tracks on Nadex. I'll take that trade every day and twice on Tuesday. Wait, today's Wednesday. Twice on Wednesday. All right, sell stop, gold to the 1 hour blue line. Gold, 4 hour buy stop. Gold, daily buy stop. That's all I need to know on gold. Not doing US 30 SPX again, or did that for you. All right. EUR USD, the exact opposite of the exact opposite of, oh, I see. I pulled it too close. My bad. Hold on. There. I was thinking about moving that in. Anyways, EUR US. Let's see if we can get another option or two going here this morning. And 1 minute ricochet. What it's going to do, ERUSD is going to go up to here between the yellow and red line, come back down to the blue line. You'll see that happen. EURUSD is going to rise a little bit once it gets in that channel. Sell stop, ricochet, back to the blue line. EURUSD, 1 minute. Opposite goes for UDCHF. 5 minute buy stop, EURUSD. 5 minute, let me see. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Turning around, 5 minute buy stop to the blue line, EURUSD. Forming a 1 hour for sell stop, EURUSD. Daily buy stop to the blue line, EURUSD. Weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line, EURUSD. GBP JPY, 1 minute. Da 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 da. Buy stop, 1 minute. GBP JPY. Da 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 da. Hit the 15 minute as called last night. Nice for me. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop to the blue line. GBP JPY. And that's all you need to know on that. Bitcoin. Boom, baby. Let me see one thing. Bitcoin and Ethereum run together, ride together. We'll be coming out with some prices for that soon. For that soon. You're going to be really happy with that. Bitcoin. One minute buy, 5 minute sell. Bitcoin. 30 minute, 1 hour buy. Bitcoin. 4 hour buy. Bitcoin. Daily buy. Bitcoin. Weekly sell. Bitcoin. Monthly buy. Ethereum. Buy. Forming a 5 minute sell. Ethereum. 15 minute buy. Beautiful 15 minute, 30 minute. Yeah. Beautiful 15 minute, 1 hour buy. Ethereum. Ethereum. 4 hour sell. Daily buy. Weekly sell. Monthly buy. Ethereum. XRP. 1 minute sell. XRP. 1 minute, 5 minute sell. XRP. Was a 15. You're too late on the 30 minute. I probably called that last night. Definitely called the 1 hour, I'm sure. 1 hour sells in the money. I'm not calling that anymore. Let's see. XRP. Daily buy. Weekly sell. Monthly buy. XRP. Amazon. Let's see what Amazon is doing. Oh, it's going to be a buy stop, already was. Who knows what they're going to do after hours. 1 minute buy Amazon. 5 minute buy Amazon. 15 minute buy Amazon. Buy Amazon. 1 hour buy Amazon. I think unofficially 1 minute sell stop on it. It's got to come back down on the 1 hour, 4 hour lines, but do with that as you please. US and UK oil, they're both the same. Have fun. 1 minute buy stop. 5 minute. Already hit it. Called this last night. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop to the blue line happened on oil. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. Play any 1 minute, 5 minute, 15. Buy stop US oil to the 15 minute blue line. To the 30 minute blue line. US and UK oil. Forming a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop, and that's all you need to know. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da da da. Da da na 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 na. I don't even know where we're at. Let's see. What do we do? Okay, we did our thing. Yep, did that. Anybody have any questions? How about we swing over to that? Anybody or YouTube have any questions? What's up, Buffalo Bill? Thank you, sir. Appreciate you having my back. What's up, Katie, Max, Katie? Hey, can you shout out my boy Dennis Rader? What's up, Dennis Rader? Da, 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 da. Absolutely. But does anybody actually have any trading questions? That was a question, though, Max. Da, 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 da. New Zealand USD. Yes, sir. Let's take a look. Oh, boy. New Zealand. Da, da, da. I'm probably going to have to open that up. Hold on. Go under your symbols. Well, I can look at that. Well, I'm here. I could have looked at that thing. It's much easier. Let's see. New Zealand USD. I don't know if that's a major across. New Zealand CAD. Oh, no, it must be a major. Probably because it's USD. My bad. I should have caught that. Yep, there. Let me put it back up on the bottom. Let me move this out of the way. Did I catch it? Maybe I didn't grab it. Hold on. Da, 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 da. Wow, that took forever. 1 minute. Sell stop to the blue line. New Zealand NZD USD. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop towards the 5 minute blue line. But that sure does look like a great 5 minute. It is. It's going to come down to the yellow and red line right here, ricochet and come up. 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop to the blue line. Play any 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute buy stop to the 30 minute blue line. And the 1 hour blue line, forming a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. Forming a, I'm assuming it is, daily buy stop to the blue line. That's all you need to know. So that's New Zealand USD. Ba, ba, da, 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 da. All right. Please record your sessions. Well, here, I got a minute. I'm not going to be going to bed anytime too soon. So let's take a look. This is exactly how you trade these call outs, okay? These are rules. You're welcome, Dr. Harry. These are our rules. You'll be getting a copy of these rules February the 15th. Do not email us asking about that. Matter of factly, I blocked somebody. I took the email away before Bree knew because she babies you guys. If I tell you don't email asking about the rules and you do, you will not email us again for at least 2 weeks. So good luck with that. So when I tell you that these rules will be updated from time to time, keep them handy and review the rules every day, okay? Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, na, na. I knew they were going to do a reload. Every time you do a type form and you give me a second for this, and you change it anywhere, it changes it automatically everywhere. Fucking coolest thing ever. So much better than Google Docs or anything you think you might like. Type form is where it's at, boy. Amazing with what they do. You can add a video in there, pictures in there. So freaking cool. So freaking bad. I want to be a billionaire. So freaking bad. Review daily. Da, 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 da. Hell, review it multiple times daily. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. All right. These are written for signals, but they'll be modified over to you. You can copy, you can screenshot this right now, hand write out your rules anyways, and you don't need to ask for them because you don't have to be a lazy ass. So try to go ahead and do that. This is showing you that the alerts for your signals come through the Discord. The signals are a perfect 11 for 11 in January in 3 weeks, 100% win rate, and they're 2 for 2 so far this month with 100% win rate. We never know if there'll be no signals given. It all depends on price action, or 20 times signals given. And we still have people not knowing that. Check your emails. All right, how to trade, step 1 and step 2. I'm teaching everybody that's a newbie on 1 hour and 15 minutes. Easiest one to learn. Tells you to do certain things. Look for a high blue, low pink. First time it happened is the best. I'll show you that right now. Verify our logo. Things happen. You can go to step 2. Really and literally, that's all it takes. Oh, sorry. Here, we can go over here. Much easier to use this. 15-minute on the top, 1 hour on the bottom. What do I see? See the blue line coming up right here, and I see the pink line going out. Not there yet, but getting very close to a good trade. NAS, nope, and SPX, kind of, yeah. Okay, so let's take that. Yeah, no, it's the same thing. I'd be looking for that buy stop like I called out. Look at it coming straight up as you speak. All right, so let's go ahead and say 2 out of the 3 is there on that. Is our logo here? Let's take a look for the logo. Logo, well, actually started way back here. Told to come up, pop. Told to come up, pop. Told to come up, pop. Coming up now. I don't believe this is the full-on up. This is what I believe is going to happen. They're going to raise it up, hook it down like this, come back later and do that. That's what I personally think is going to happen. We'll see. Nonetheless, you can make good money right now on those SPX and NAS buys. So I'm going to go ahead and say, yeah, go there on SPX. NAS, we didn't notice the exact same. Yep, perfect on NAS. NAS is a much better buy than SPX. US 30, don't take the buy on US 30. It's too far away. We need US 30 to come back down towards this yellowing line before I will take a buy stop on US. It's complete opposite what I called for yesterday. I'm telling you, NAS, SPX are perfect buy stops. Personally, NAS is better, and I will not take a US 30 buy stop. I'm already in it anyways, but I won't touch that. And technically, the best out of these is SPX 500. I know I said NAS, but I'm switching it to SPX 500. All right, so that's cool, seeing this happen. I love it. Now, we can go on to step 2. 2 steps, 2-step trading. So if you receive that signal, you're trying to verify this buy, which we just did. The exact same thing on the 15-minute. First time it happens, we'll get into the trade entries later. Let's head over to here. All right. So 15-minute, 3. Did this line pull against it on SPX? It did. The blue line's low. Boop. This is your buy stop. Is there a buy stop? Yes, there is. Boop, boop, boop. Personally, I say this goes up a little bit, comes back down, hooks, and comes up again later today. Somewhere, what I'm saying is it'll keep going up. Stay in your buy if in it. I'm not getting out of my buy on US 30. What I'm specifically saying is it's going to go up a little bit now. Price action will go. Then what you're going to see is it goes down later. Probably before 9:30, it'll spike downward. Then anywhere between 9 and 10:30 candle, it'll come back up. If it doesn't come back up at that time, it'll come back up between 1:30 and 2:30, the next 4-hour candle. That's just what they do. Once you see their games, it's very easy to see. Now that's for SPX. It's no buy stop here. It's a sell. So that means it's a 1-hour, 4-hour buy. And US 30 is fine, but I don't like it for a 15-minute, but I don't like the 1 hour. See how far away it is down here? Look, unacceptable. This needs to come back down. This needs to come back down towards its 1-hour line before I will accept this buy on US 30. So SPX, sure. Look for your 15-minute, 1-hour buys. US 30, no. Let it pull back down again. It's too high. Okay. Back to the rules. So we do have 2 steps. If you need to learn your entrances, read your rules. If both steps 1 and 2 are met, then place your no trade buy stop on either the 3-minute or the 1-hour, whatever the lowest line is, regardless of color. I had some silly person say, oh, my lines are green. Well, they can be. You can make your lines rainbow polka dots for all I care. Whatever the effing lowest color is, that's what you do. Boy. Or look for the pink crossing the blue. What do I mean? Let's be specific. What do I mean? Right here. You're seeing it live. See that 3? Pink crosses the blue. Pop, put your entry right here. You'd have gone up and made your money and been done for today's trading. Simple as that. Perfect entry. Okay. Extremely important. Only enter a buy stop trade when the pink sniper line is at the very bottom. Do a buy stop. People drive me nuts. You see how the pink line's low on the 15-minute? You can do a buy stop from here. You don't do a buy stop when prices, the pink line is up here. Please. You can do sell stops from up here if there was such a thing, but you need to wait for it to come down, buy stop. I hope that makes sense. Okay. That the sniper itself will stop you from entering so many bad trades. It's almost ridiculous. Hint, price loves to go down to either the 1-hour or the 4-hour lines and bounce up. Let me show you what I mean about that. Good morning, Johan. I mean like that. Watch. This is US 30. We're going to go to the 1-hour and 4 hours. Watch this. All those lines are successful trades. Look. This is the 1-hour US 30. I'm sorry, this is the 4-hour US 30. Came down, touched the red line, bounced up. Look at my tree. Look at it. Right off the red line, up she goes. Oh, but you're saying to sell. It is. It needs to come back down there and come up. That's my take profit line. That's exactly the rule I'm talking about. And that's exactly what happened. Okay? Say you did a wrong trade. We have a video on it. Type in safety trade on YouTube. Free to. If you ever do a wrong trade, go watch this video. I've done over 1,000 live YouTube training videos. Literally, this video is the best one I did. I would go there and rewatch it. Do's and don'ts. I would get to sniper add-on if I absolutely had to sell everything I own. This is me personally. And buy the sniper for $150 a month. It is that good. This isn't self-promotion or promo, whatever the hell. God, these things out there. The silly people think I'm self-promoting. I'm telling you what works. I don't give 2 rats asses. Then don't buy it. If you don't believe it's that good, if you don't see me making money, if you don't see the trade I'm in right now, then don't buy it. No skin off my nose, folks. I'm just telling you, it is the best thing for trading ever developed. It's based off the Bach. That's all I can tell you. M's or double tops or W's, don't get too excited about those, okay? Take only the best trade. I just told you which the best trade was. SPX is the best trade for a buy now. I'm not telling you eventually later today it will even be better, but not right now. There's always the best. They'll all go up, but one is always the best. Again, once you have these rules memorized, you can trade in seconds, literally like a minute, and you'll know whether or not to get into the trade. Trading rules specific. Watch this. Do not ever share the signals. You're legally bound by the NDA and the trademark, actually. A, always trade the 1 hour for beginners. But the order in which safety trades develop are 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly. You may open more than one trade, but don't get suckered in. It explains it. How do you know when a trade finishes? We literally have the scanner. Look at Naz just flipped. I still look for the sell stops, by the way. The scanner will turn to red. As soon as one turns for a sell stop and the other two. Whether they go and touch the line, blue line or not, this is called the H&H Blue Line Scanner and is a free gift from Bree and I. We charge $500 a month if you want to get it separate. Wouldn't recommend it. Just buy the scanner rooms for $50 and you get it free. That's how you know when a trade finishes. Where do you put your stop loss? At the pivot point. Where do you do a take profit? Open up 2, take profit after 2 or 3 pips, depending on what you're trading, or 2 to 20. Do not use a trailing stop loss. Idiotic and does not work. Always move your buy, sell, stop line to trade as it moves. Do not trade between 8:15 and 8:45 because there's usually some kind of BS news. Unless you know my system, then you can just totally kill it, totally crush it. We haven't lost the CPI news, and we have never lost the CPI news. We've never lost FOMC or an NFP news day either. We always make money. The way you're going to master my system is teaching it. Once you buy it and learn it, then start to teach it. You will be shocked at how much better of a trader you will be with them when you do that. And I'm not self-promoting, telling you to buy 5. I'm telling you to use the system you already own and teach it to your husband or wife. Stevie taught it to his wife, Heather. Heather never missed a trade, by the way, after she did my trading with me, which is Mondays at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Then she went on a tear. I don't know. I'll have to ask Stevie. Last I heard, she was like 22 or 23 wins straight. She posted in the Discord a picture of her brand new Jeep. I think it's some kind of Grand Cherokee or something. She put $30,000 down on it, cash, from trading in a month. So you can teach your spouse this as a side hustle. They can be home with you doing this. We have Maria Toller. I think she makes $200-300 a day on average. She's a stay-at-home mom in Arizona. Again, it's very advantageous to teach someone the system. Want to increase your learning from months to weeks? Meaning what used to take you months, you can learn in a week. All you do is record it. I recommend the ice cream recorder. If you do this 30 times a night, rewatch the video 30 times a night, you'll do 30 days of training in one night. It's amazing. You must unlearn everything that you thought you knew about trading because it's wrong 99% of the time. One of the hardest things for people is to let go of Fibonacci retracements. Even though they know what comes from nature, it's the silliest thing. It comes from patterns in nature. They're beautiful. Fibonacci's are beautiful. The Fibonacci pattern and flower petals, it has nothing to do. Candles and candle patterns have nothing to do with trading. The stupidest thing I ever heard was naming of candles. Morning star, evening star, head and shoulders pattern, butterfly this, blah. Give me a break. Who believes that stuff? Thank God I never did. Now, I did believe Fibonacci retracement until I found out it came from nature. But it's right only 1% of the time. If you don't believe that, Google search. Are less than 1% of traders actually profitable? It will come up and tell you. This is a quote. First result. Less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. So you have to unlearn that BS to relearn my system. Most important rule of them all, thank God and do good with your profits. What am I doing right now? I'm teaching you exactly how to trade. That's what I'm doing right now. Okay? If it's important for me to review it, it's important enough for you guys to take screenshots, copy this, and type it out. Please rewatch this video 50 times a week for a month. All successful traders do not email us. The only ones who email us constantly never win. Only trade SPX demo for a month. Blah, 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 where to get the stuff. Okay? Teaching you exactly. What else do I do? This is exactly how I trade every day. I get up at fucking 3:30 in the morning. I thank God for another day above ground. well, I'm not lifting right now, but I am doing some cardio. I'll do my lifting and everything after that because it's 3:30 and 4:30 in the fucking morning. I then look at the H&H scanner. Just did it for you all multiple times this morning. I then go to the rules every day. I print the rules, reread the rules over and over again every day. And then I go look for my logos. That's exactly how I trade. Boop, ba-da-doop, doop. And then, of course, the legal disclaimer. So that is everything. Now, I'm not going to, does anybody have any questions over that before I go on? A few people here, 12 and 18. I'm going to go ahead and tell you what we have available. Whether or not, this isn't self-promoting. These are tools to help you make money. So, for instance, when I say this H&H scanner is free when you get the scanner for $50 a month, this alone can make you independently wealthy. It could. Once you understand one's turn, you look for the other ones, and especially when you'll see one of these like sometimes out of the blue, and then you know it's going to go up later. This scanner is near priceless, but whatever. So let's show you. Oopsie. Well, we can do this. Doesn't matter. These are the scanner rooms. This isn't sell. I can give two shits less. Don't buy it. If you don't want to spend $50 a month to learn how I trade through the scanners that trades over 100 symbols, then don't buy it. I don't want your $50 a month. I don't need your $50 a month. Don't buy it. So how about that for self-promoting? I swear to God, these people are so ungrateful. These little shits come on their fucking lives. Promo this, promo. Get the fuck out. Don't even come on. So for $50 a month to get 2 Forex crypto stocks. The indices rooms has all indices. Hell, I don't even know. Well, that's the Japan one. I got that. Buy, stop, 1 minute, US 30, so on. And it trades all 8 time frames of MetaTrader 4. If you don't like indices, you can get a Forex room. $50 a month, you pick your choice out of it. Forex is all majors and crosses. All of them, not some of them, all of them, all 8 time frames of MetaTrader 4. Cryptos, a lot of you like cryptos. There's a new XRP stop. Gee, did anyone say sell stop? I'm telling you, when you see this new, you go look at this trade, SS1, I would strongly recommend you taking it. But this is $50 a month and it's trading hundreds of symbols exactly. See them? There's another one, Litecoin down here, buy stop. Hundreds of symbols exactly like me because it's comparing 2 time frames. This is an excellent, even if you don't use it to trade with, it's an excellent training tool. There's one. I don't even know what a NEO is. NEO USD SS1. 5 minute. I would absolutely go overlook to see if this is a 5 minute to the blue line sell stop. When you see SS1, not only is this scanner trading 2 time frames, it's trading to the blue line. So this is you would go over, open up NEO USD, open it up, and see if it's a sell stop to the 5 minute blue line. I guarantee it is. And see if there's a higher time frame buy, but whichever. Once you see now it's not new anymore. Newer with a 5 minute spin, but the new it comes up for 1 minute. And that's it. I mean, it's so easy. It's a $50 a month. You guys are pissing $50 a month away on every Starbucks, every McDonald's, every Walmart. Give me a break. It also trades 55 different stocks, of course, when the stock market's open. Everything 55. And I guarantee you people don't even know what a quarter of these things are. What's that? What's some of these are so weird. No idea. What is SIEGN? What's SOGN.PA? What's, you can Google it, but who cares? No one knows. There's a Tesla in there. But 55 different stocks it tracks for you, all 8 time frames. Psychotically good teaching. It's just amazing. Then if you wanted the top 10 rooms, you can get those. I would stick in the 15-minute top 10 room every day if I were you. This engineering coding marvel is what Keith Palmer did. Amazingly good man. Amazingly. I mean, this is like the 8th wonder of the world right here. And I'm charging $50 a month. And some people say that's too much money. If you guys ever knew what I paid for like signals and stuff, and oh God, this is a deal. This is the whatever. I don't give a fuck. Don't get it. But That is one of our add-ons. 3 different things you can add on to the system. The system is standalone. When you see this green, 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 red, green, green, see the sniper, which is what I've been referring to all morning. That's $150 a month. I would sell everything I own with the sniper. Well, nearly. I keep my house and car, but I would downgrade my house and I would downgrade my car, and I would afford $150 a month for the sniper. The signals, easy peasy. These are actually, this is breaking news. It's only been a couple days. We currently have 1, 2, 3 signal rooms open. Tier 1's $150 a month. Tier 2 is $250 a month for 10 signals, 5 signals, tier 1. Unlimited signals for tier 3. We already tested this ad nauseum the past week. It's perfect. I know it's going to run perfect. Well, I expect my signal service to run anywhere from 80 to 100%. Right now it's at 100% for January, 11 trades, 11 wins. February, 2 trades, 2 wins. Again, whether or not you get the signal service isn't benefiting me. I'm calling out signals for you guys. I do it free every day. This is the first time in my history of 2 years being on, over 2 years being on TikTok and almost a year and a half being on YouTube, that I've allowed to make a signal service. Everyone begged me for signal service for year after year. I said, no, no, no. And then I had a change of heart because I figured, well, if I can help y'all make some money, demo money, while you're learning my system, that's the best thing I can do for you. So the gold tier is coming up next week. You get it for free. If you're in tier 1, you get tier 1 gold. If you're in tier 2, you get tier 2. This is a free gift from Bree and I. If you're in tier 3, you get unlimited gold. This doesn't take away from your signals. This is an additional. We're basically doubling your signals and not charging you double the rate. Now, if you're not in tier 1, tier 2, 3 when this is released, you will be charged $150 a month for gold, and you'll be charged $150 a month for tier 1. Bree and I are giving you a free gift, multiple free gifts. Not only are we giving you gold for free if you're in the signals when this comes out, but EURUSD will be $150 a month, or it's free if you're already in any of these signal rooms currently. So we've not only doubled your signals you'll be getting, we just tripled them. It's like the Ginsu knives. But wait, you're also going to get a signal for GBP, JPY for free. You're also going to get a US oil signal for free. If you're in tier 1, you get those all for free for tier 1. If you're in tier 2 and paying and you're up to date, you get all these for free with tier 2. Same for tier 3, it's unlimited. So I hope I'm clear on that. So for your original $150 a month for NAS, SPX, and US 30, Bree and I are giving you gold, EURUSD, GBP, JPY, and US oil for free. Here's the best part. But wait, there's more. All right. Holy Grail trade, the Holy Grail trade. And this is nothing to do with self-promotion. This is me being full of God time. Holy Grail trade. My story for trading started about 10 years ago. I needed to find a way to make money for my youngest daughter who has a health condition, and she has to take medicine. She's doing much, much better. I'm all better, right? But she has to take this medicine, doesn't let her sleep at night. So the only way she can get a job would have been working third shift. Nothing wrong with third shift work, but I didn't want my youngest daughter doing that. So I said, I have to find a way for her to make money that she can do at her own leisure. So for 5 to 5.5 years, I went ahead and did a trade. I tried to learn trading. I tried every guru available, spent thousands of dollars with them. I bought every system available, spent thousands of dollars with that. I joined every Facebook club. I did free on those. I bought every indicator, thousands of dollars indicator. I have tried over 1,000 indicators, and that's not an exaggeration, 1,000. But there's not even 1,000. I made my own. So I eventually said, screw all the gurus, screw all the indicators, screw all the system. Good morning, Robel. None of them worked. So over a period of about 5 to 5.5 years, I lost $26,500. Well, son of a bitch, should I use demo money? Yep. Did I? Nope. Had to learn a lesson my hard way. Rebel's up 2.5 thousand. Go, Rebel. Good morning, little Joe. So I'm just telling the backstory of why I created the Holy Grail trade. So I said, Well, this sucks. Every time I place a trade, I'm wrong. And then some of you guys go, well, you should have just placed the opposite trade. So true. So I tried that and I was wrong again. But eventually I was right. And when I was right, I started to say, why was I right on this trade? Not what did I fuck up, but what did I do right? And eventually I started making another trade right and another trade right. And I was able to document it, figure out why. And then I kept the system to myself. How about that for self-promotion? I kept the system to myself for about a year and a half, I think it was. I don't think it was 2 years. Probably a year and a half. I kept it to myself. I made all the money I needed to make. Multiple houses paid for, multiple cars paid for, property in Florida, property in Alabama, property in Georgia, property in Ohio, maybe property in Vegas here very soon. So yes, did extremely well with the system. Then I released it to all of you. I did not have to share it with you. I do not have to be here with you, but I'm here sharing it with you. And you can thank my youngest daughter and the fact that I hated to lose. And I couldn't stand that I couldn't figure out trading. So I'm not the smartest person, but I am a very stubborn person. I stick with things like a pit bull. I will not let go until I get it. And one of my goals was, I didn't even know if I can actually achieve it, was to eventually make a trade that would never miss. And lo and behold, the Holy Grail trade came around about almost 10 years later. And I have a trade that will never miss. And I know how it sounds. Bullshit. He's lying. There's no way in fucking hell he can invent a trade that doesn't miss. There's no such thing. There's always going to be a time where it misses. There might be a misinterpretation of my signal service. The trade hits all 6 symbols the way the price movement hits all 6 signals the way it's supposed to. It will never miss. The Holy Grail trade will be released in about 3 to 4 months, maybe 2, probably 3, maybe 4. I don't know. But that Holy Grail trade signal is free to everybody in tier signal room. You'll get one of them. Tier 2, you get one. Tier 3, you get unlimited Holy Grail trade signals. Good morning, Jay Parker. So I hope you all understand that eventually, and we've already tested it. We've semi-tested. I mean, it's in the rough stages. But the Holy Grail trade has been a perfect 3 for 3 in testing with Keith and I so far for an average gain of over 250 pips on NAS 100. It'll only be called for NAS 100. Matter of fact, for the first time ever, and I got to verify this with my lovely wife, Bree, make sure she's okay with it or her feelings on it. We've talked multiple times, but I just got to make sure we just pray about things and make sure we're comfortable with it. But it looks to me like we'll be offering the Holy Grail trade for about $750 without having to buy the system. And there's only one way I'm willing to do that is because there's so many lazy ass traders out there that are losing that they just don't have the will or the want to learn how to trade themselves. They can afford it. Might even be $777. We'll see. But that's how accurate that trade is. I'm going to open it up to the actual public. All the rest you can't. Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3, gold, ERUSD, GBP, JPY, oil. Those you all have to have the system for and the sniper to be able to verify the trade. The Grail trade's so good you have to verify nothing. Nothing. There'll be a one rule. You'll have to wait for it to on a buy stop to rise above this EMA. That's it. There'll be nothing else that you'll have to know. And that's all. Good morning, Susie South. Blessed morning to you too. Good morning, Little Joe again, Buffalo Bill again. All right. So those are the 3 things we offer. We are actually senior Stan ambassadors. Yep. What does that mean to you? No one even knows what Stan is. Stan's like Shopify. If you know what Shopify is, obviously most 99% of all you do it's online. Shopify is just a store, online store. Stan is similar to that. They just cater to people on TikTok. That's where I got it from. One of the 18-year-old kid on there said, oh, Stan's the best thing ever. And you know what? Stan is very good. And you know what? We have 3 stores with Stan, and we make a lot of money. A lot of money through our Stan stores. We make a little bit of money through our YouTube clothing store. Well, it actually has everything on there. We make a little bit of money trading, as you can see. We make a lot of through the stand stores. All right, we do have an affiliate program. Everybody wants to go out there and, be an affiliate for us. Feel free. I don't care. Knock yourselves out. You want to buy the system, head over to safetytrade.com. Do I care? In fact, if you can't follow simple instructions, I don't want you to buy the Safety Trade system. How about that? I do not want you to buy the self-promotion there. Don't buy it if you can't follow simple instructions. How about that? Oh, but he's telling us not to buy it. Correct. If you can't follow simple instructions with video and written instructions, then don't waste my time. Don't waste your money. Don't waste your time. Don't buy the system. How's that for a sales job, peeps? If you're doing great with the system, please support it. What does that mean? Oh, I'm trading so good now. I'm making all kinds of money. I don't need to have the scanner for $50 a month. Sure, you don't need to have it, but if you're doing so great, why don't you still support it by putting your money where your beliefs are? Wherever you put your money at, things flourish. If you don't put your money with the system, meaning buy a hoodie, buy an overpriced tank top for $37. Great quality, but it's not worth $37. If you guys think we make a lot of money from that, we make like $6, I think it is, or $5. It's outrageous. It's a YouTube store. I don't know who the hell YouTube is. We don't have anything to do with it. YouTube makes the shit, not me. They make all the money. I don't, or we don't. But yeah, if you're doing great, support it. I swear, the next email I get from anybody, I'm reading it out loud with your full name. So if you say, George, hey, Kev, this is George, and I'm doing so good with the system, I don't need the scanner or the sniper anymore. Okay, George, that's great. You don't need it, but how about you still support the Safety Trade system? Because if you put money in Walmarts, you're going to get more Walmarts in the world. If you put money in anybody else, Target, you'll get more Targets in the world. If you put money in McDonald's, you're going to get more McDonald's. If you put money in a local steakhouse that doesn't use seed oils in their steaks, and they use grass-fed butter, and they use real meat that isn't hormone injected, then you'll get more great steakhouses. So if you put more money into the Safety Trade system, even if you don't need the scanner, what the fuck is $50 a month going to hurt you when you're doing great with it, meaning you're profitable? You don't bite the hand that's feeding you, because we'll remember that. And we do not renew everybody. I don't know what this is. Get the fuck out of here. If I don't understand what you're saying, leave. All right, so I'm rambling on about that. If you're doing great with the system, which so many of you are, hundreds and hundreds of you are, I don't expect to ever see an email. What I want to see is, hey, I'm doing so good with the system, I don't need the scanner, but I want to pay you $50 a month. I don't need the sniper, but I want to give you $150 a month just to help your cause out. Okay, cool. Now, that also brings us to renewals. In fact, we had about a half dozen renewals last night. The renewals, everyone, there's hundreds and hundreds of you renewing February, March, April. Well, actually, it keeps going, but I mean, there's tons in April. 150, something like that, and another whatever in May. So when you're renewing, if you don't want to lose interruption of your actual system, because those indicators will go away. If you're renewing, trust me, your indicators will vanish one day. You will not have access to them. Just shoot a nicely worded email over to my wife, Bree, theforexsafetytradesystem at gmail.com. You send that over to us. Hey, I think I'm going to go ahead and renew maybe for March. Can you go ahead and do that? You don't lose a month. We just give you an extra month or two. So if you're worried about losing your system for a renewal, it will go away. So please actually, I don't know, do it early so you don't lose the system. What's up, E888551? Sorry, you caught my rambling at the end. All right. Does anybody have any trading questions? We made money on a trade this morning, the 15-minute SPX and NAS buy. I've told you to look out for the sells, however. That's what I'd be looking out for before 9:30. We went over exactly how to trade, and very slowly. I had time this morning. If there's anyone new that wants to speak up, speak up. I actually remembered to show the website. TikTok, anybody have any questions? YouTube, anybody have any questions, concerns, or comments? If you want to rate session, you can give it a 10 if you think it was good or not. If you think it was a 1, 2, or 3 or whatever, that's fine. But give a reason. Otherwise, you have absolutely no value to what I'm asking. I need to improve this every time. And if you give me like a 7 because I cuss, screw off. I don't give a fuck. I'm going to cuss. If you give me something, I don't care. There's certain things I care about, which is trying to cover everything to help you guys learn how to trade consistently and profitably. That's all I'm here for. Thank you, Botnator. Thank you, Theodore. Anybody on YouTube would like to give a rating 1 to 10? Oh, geez, TikTok's already gone. Da, 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 da. I hate when TikTok does this. Da, 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 da. TikTok does this silly ass thing where it blocks it after an hour. Da, da. Okay. Thank you, Susie South. You're greater than a 10 to Susie. Thank you, Garth. All right. So if there's no more questions on TikTok, I'm out of here. God bless you all. Look for the 1-minute sell stops to the 1-minute blue lines on NAS, SPX, and US 30 TikTokers. And then look for the 15-hour buys. They may turn into 1-hour, 4-hour buys, but play those sells, make money on the way down, okay? See you on TikTok. YouTube, any questions on YouTube? Da 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 da. Thank you, Dr. Harry. What's up, Caribbean GTR? Good morning. Da 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 da. All right. Well, guys, have a great morning. Good luck trading. I'm going to try to go back to sleep. Not likely, mind you. But I'm going to try to do a little of my stuff, cardio and EWAT and all that stuff. Then I'm going to try to hit it. Good luck to y'all. God bless. Follow the rules. You should be fine. I'm almost for surely, Lord willing, be on somewhere around 5 or 6 or 7 this evening, Eastern Standard Time. All right. God bless. Great day. I hope you kick ass trading. God bless.